Okay, we all make mistakes in our work and have to undo it. So we either undo stitch by stitch, which is called tinking. The word tink is knit spelled backwards, and it literally is basically knitting backwards. Or we frog it, which means we rip our needles out and pull the yarn and undo usually quite a lot of knitting. So that can be quite scary, especially for a new knitter. So tinking may be your first method to use. So basically we're going to leave our work on our needles and undo each stitch. So let's pretend I made a mistake back here in my row, and I've been knitting away and I'm like, oh my god, if there's a mistake back there, I need to fix it. So rather than go this way from the right side of my work facing me, or the work side I'm working on, I find it actually easier, let's pull that out, to turn my work over to the opposite side. So my working yarn is now on the left, let's get that out of the way, and then right needle just goes into that stitch below and off and pull it out. Oh, that's right, I kind of hold it in my right hand like that, and then you can pull on the yarn and see more clearly where that stitch is that you need to get into. So over, I'm holding it firm in my right hand, and then I'm going through into that stitch and carry on. So it does get quite fast that way, I find. Oops, yeah, that's right. And we're all done. So I can now turn my work back around, and my working yarn's now back on the right, and re-knit that row.